Oh my, wow, okay. Teddy, please, stop the music, okay? Please say it to stop the music. How many times have I told you to just not sit in my chair, okay?
Sorry I didn't respond for a week. I was in class and then I fell asleep. Woke up late for work and left my phone at home. Well, your impression of me, oh.
Well, I mean, you still haven't learned, so... Guys, we're gonna do another video on chugging water, okay? Basil and mint lemonade, okay? Never heard of this, but we can chug it, okay? 2, 1, here we go. Oh, okay. Nah. Ooh, okay. I can kind of taste it, but I can also kind of not taste it. It's okay. It's like if you mix lemonade and toothpaste together, you'll get this. It kind of does taste like that. Oh, that's... Ooh. Woo! You see. Let's go. Done. Fine. These things are not supposed to be in a cool drink. That's it, guys. If you guys want me to do another one of these videos, get this video to 35 reasons another chugging video. And yeah, until next time.